How to add templates to Instagram story. Let's begin with the video. First, begin by launching the Instagram app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. On the main feed screen, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the plus icon. Now at the top of the screen, you will see an option for templates. Click on it. Here you can view variety of pre-designed story templates. You can browse through the available templates to see which one fits your style. Moreover, choose the template you want to use. To replace the placeholder with your content, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left. This will open your phone gallery. Select the photo or a video you like to add to the template. The selected content will be automatically added in the template. Once you are happy with how your story looks, tap your story at the bottom to share it with your followers. If you prefer to share it with a specific group of people, choose Close Friend. That's it. Now you know how to add templates to Instagram story.